Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your PayPal crypto account to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process successfully. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to the crypto section by clicking on the crypto tab in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. If you haven't set up crypto trading yet, click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Step 4. PayPal will require you to verify your identity before accessing crypto features. Click on Verify Your Identity to start the process. Step 5. Provide your personal information including your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number or taxpayer identification number. Step 6. Enter your current residential address. This must match the address on your government-issued ID and bank records. Step 7. Upload a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or state ID card. Make sure the image is clear and all details are legible. Step 8. Answer security questions or complete additional verification steps as prompted by PayPal to confirm your identity. Step 9. Submit all required information and wait for PayPal to review your verification request. This typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. Step 10. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation notification and can immediately start buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies through PayPal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.